Hello and welcome back. I am again Chevy Villanueva and I'm going to discuss what is open source development. Disclaimer: I might I might discuss about close close development and might compare might compare it to open source, but it is not included in the PowerPoint. So the purpose of that is to give you an idea kung ano yung pagkakaiba niya from open source to so open from open source to closed source development. So let's get started. So what is open source development? An open source development software an open s- source software development is a software that is publicly available. Meaning, ma-access mo siya kahit nasan ka nang hindi ka nagbabayad. Software or products of open source development are mostly free and protected by open source licenses and is usually hosted at GitHub. So, some of the products actually na open source ay hosted sa GitHub. Actually, makikita mo mga yung files ng project and you can download it. You can download it actually and do a study about it and do changes on to it. So one of the one of the pro- uh, most one of the most prominent or famous examples of open source development na software, of course, is Linux and React.js. So, bago tayo magpatuloy sa pros and cons of open source, let us first discuss kung ano yung mga closed software or yung mga software na hindi open source. So, ang open source software is something that you can you can alternate, you can inspect, and a you can do a new product out of it actually, or add features to it. Best example ng open source development na software as well, dagdag lang kay Linux and kay React.js is si Android. Ang Android operating system is an open source operating system by Google. So, si Samsung, LG, OnePlus, and Motorola, ginagamit nila yun and nagdadagdag sila ng feature. So, isa yun sa features ng katulad sinabi ko kanina, isa yun sa features ng open source development na software kasi pwede ka magdagdag ng features, pwede mo baguhin. And ang kinaibahan niya sa ang kinaibahan niya sa closed software is that sa software, you don't actually own the product. You are only you were only licensed to use it. Basically, kapag pag nagkaroon ng bug, sila lang pag nagkaroon ng bug ng isang software na gawa sa closed environment or license ka lang para gumamit is ang bug, hindi mo agad mapapansin yung bug. Hindi mo agad mapapansin yung bug unless may aayusin sila doon. As well as as well as hindi mo pwedeng gamitin or hindi mo pwedeng baguhin and magdagdag ng features sa mga ganong klaseng product. You are liable for charges for it. So yeah, so let's get started with the pros and cons of open source. So first, personal recognition na magkakaroon ka ng magkakaroon ka ng magkakaroon ka ng magandang bagay na ilalagay sa profile mo and career mo sa kasi kasali ka sa isang open source project. And that could also be a good source for advertising kasi mas madali ka may employ kasi nagkaroon ka ng experience with open source development na kung saan nai-enhance din niya yung skills mo. So for quality ng open source software is actually in high quality than what you might think, because hindi lang isang tao ang gumagawa doon, but rather it is thousands of people that are trying to do their best, or doing their best to create a better quality a better quality sa software na yun. And security security for many people contribute on open source software. Developers would see the wrong in the software and report these bugs, and no data can be misused because of the same manner. So, ang open source software is secured kasi dahil nga hindi nga lang isang taong gumagawa doon, lahat nakakita kung ano yung changes na nangyayari. And also, kapag nagkaroon ng bugs, maraming taong pwede gumawa na at the same time, making it fast sa pag-fix ng bugs, and also free ka from data abuse kasi makikita din nila na kung ano yung ginagawa mo if you are part of open source project. So, move on sa cons. Sa cons is miscommunication and misunderstanding. Kasi dahil nga madaming tao ang nagde-develop sa isang software na open source, ah baka madami ding report ang mangyayari sa mga open source software. And as well as core business value, baka kasi malik yung trading secret ng mga business. And that is something that you have to be aware of. And that concludes it for open source development. Thank you.